Since 1876, ALMACO has grown from a small blacksmith shop into a global leader in manufacturing and engineering. With a proven track record as both an OEM and a trusted manufacturing partner, we've been turning ideas into reality for nearly 150 years. Our strength lies in our ability to quickly and accurately transform your vision into precisely engineered solutions. From design to prototype to production, our experienced teams deliver the quality you need with the professionalism you expect. At ALMACO, we provide a full range of contract manufacturing services: engineering, laser cutting, forming and bending, CNC machining, fabrication and welding, mechanical assembly, and electrical assembly. Our laser cutting capabilities offer high-speed precision without compromise, with repeat accuracy within 4/10,000ths of an inch. Our forming and bending systems apply 350 tons of force, automatically measuring and correcting for a perfect bend every time. With advanced CNC machining, we craft components that meet exact specifications, no matter the complexity. Our expert team in fabrication and welding brings even the most challenging designs to life with skill and precision. In mechanical assembly, we deliver product assemblies, sub-assemblies, and painting services, all with meticulous attention to detail. And our electrical assembly specialists design and build electrical systems to ensure seamless, stress-free delivery. As an OSHA Sharp certified facility, safety and quality are at the core of everything we do. Our engineers design for manufacturability, helping reduce costs and accelerate time to market. Headquartered in the United States, ALMACO delivers on a reliable partnership, clear communication, and the reassurance that comes from working with a manufacturer skilled in serving both domestic and international needs. As a global manufacturer, we also support clients with expertise in sourcing, packaging, shipping, and logistics, delivering anywhere in the world with confidence. From delivery to daily use, ALMACO is here with after-sales support for parts, field service, factory service, and beyond. And unlike other contract manufacturers, ALMACO has the ability to build custom machines for your exact needs, giving you the flexibility and freedom to run the business your way. Whether it's a prototype, a small custom run, or a full-scale production, our skilled staff and modern equipment give you the flexibility to scale as your business grows. At ALMACO, we're more than a manufacturing partner. We're your trusted ally in precision, quality, and innovation. Let us help you build what's next. Your vision, our precision.